open definition that I will be operating on, or the remainder of this talk, is this idea, this set of principles of data being available to the wider research public, of data being available to scholars and researchers, not just in academia, but also non-academic and lay researchers as well. This availability is a more radical approach, but is also one that is sustainable and important for values of access to data. And so when I'm talking about open data, I'm talking about an approach to information sharing and information production that is predicated on the idea that data being shared more widely is a net benefit to scholarship, to research, and to information practices more broadly, and that barriers to access are barriers to knowledge. And so these are the values and the ideas broadly that I will be operating under.